In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and customize hyperlinks on your website using Framer. This tutorial will help you not only add links effectively, but also enhance your site's visual appeal by customizing link colors to fit your design aesthetics. Let's start by opening Framer and navigating to your website project. Once you have your site open, the first step is to locate the text element where you want to add your hyperlink. For this example, I'll click on the text box and add a call to action message, something like "Order now, click here." Feel free to type any text that fits your website's context. Next, you'll want to highlight the specific word or phrase in your text that you intend to turn into a hyperlink. This step is crucial because it sets the foundation for creating an interactive element for your viewers. Typically, you'll want something clear and engaging, so your audience knows exactly where that link will take them. On the right side of your Framer interface, you'll find options for text editing. Here, you need to click on the Link To button. This action will allow you to specify the destination for your hyperlink. Choose the target URL or any other page you want your viewers to navigate to when they click on the link. This feature is particularly handy for directing traffic to specific areas of your site, or even to external resources that could enrich your content. Now, to ensure your hyperlinks not only function, but also align with your website's look, Framer offers customization options for link colors. You have the flexibility to change the color of your default link text to something that matches your brand or just makes the link stand out more prominently. When it comes to hover effects, Framer gives you the ability to edit these colors as well, allowing for a more dynamic interaction when a visitor hovers over the hyperlink. Simply click on Edit in the hover link settings, and you can change the hover color to indicate that it's an active link. Feel free to get creative here. Sometimes even a subtle change can make a big difference in how users interact with your site. Once you've made all your changes and you're satisfied with the appearance and functionality of your links, it's time to publish your changes. Hit the Publish button to make sure everything you've customized is visible to your audience. Take a moment to review your site and test the hyperlinks. Make sure they navigate to the correct pages and have the desired appearance and hover effects. And that's it. You now know how to add and customize hyperlinks on your website using Framer. With a few simple steps, you've increased your site's functionality and improved the user experience. Thanks for watching and happy designing.